Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2016 Harley Davidson Fat Boy. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2016 Harley Davidson Fat Boy with 10,609 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and cruise control. It's been upgraded with a Vance & Hines exhaust, a Vance & Hines fuel pack, a Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, an LED headlight trim ring, LED passing lamps, an LED taillight, a plate bracket, spoked wheels, an aftermarket front fender, docking hardware, Harley Davidson saddlebags, grips, 14-inch handlebars, axle caps, and a Screaming Eagle 110 motor. In stock form, the Fat Boy is powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin engine, putting 101 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5-gallon fuel capacity, the Fat Boy has a 200 to 220-mile range. It has a 26.4-inch seat height and a 705-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this Fat Boy will need rear turn signals. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 930 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. The front fender is bent, there are paint blemishes on the clutch lever, and a paint chip on the left saddlebag. This bike has 2 keys and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days or 1,000 miles and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.